Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video, we are giving something back to you guys. Well, we're not. Thermaltake UK are. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, today's video is going to be discussing the Thermaltake Toughpower GF3 1000w gold fully modular PCI Express Gen 5 ATX 3.0 power supply. That is something of a mouthful, but it's something you may potentially have to get used to saying, because we're actually going to be giving this away to one of our lucky United Kingdom viewers. There is going to be a giveaway. It's going to be on the 31st of March 2023. The draw will be taking place at midday, so that's 12 PM. And the winner will be notified within 3 days of the actual draw taking place. You'll then have another 3 days to actually respond. If you don't respond in that time, we will draw another name from the hat and we'll continue the process until one of you actually wins this thing. Now, this is only applicable to UK mainland entrants only. Unfortunately, this is a Thermaltake UK thing, and posting things outside of the country at the moment is extremely cost prohibitive. So it is for UK residents and UK addresses only. Our apologies. Also, there are no cash alternatives or alternate prizes. So basically, if you don't want the power supply, don't enter. But if you do want to enter, you'll need to answer a simple question, which you'll find in the video comments below, so please feel free to have a look at that. Answer the question and you may be in to win. And you're probably asking, Mike, what do I actually get? Well, this is what you get. This actual power supply. If you want, I will actually sign it for you. I won't, I'm joking. So this is the Toughpower GF3 1000w. Here at Mike's Unboxing, we trust Thermaltake power supplies with basically all of our computers, at least the ones we use on a daily basis. They're in all of my own PCs, the PC behind me, my editing PC, etc. Very, very happy with Thermaltake power supplies overall. And they do give you a lot of extra features that you don't always get on others, such as the smart fan technology, so switchable on and off, so you don't have to decide if you want powerful cooling or if you want silence. You have the option between the two, so whichever suits you. You've also got really nice design as well, so if your power supply is visible, then obviously it's going to look nice. There's actually 8 different versions of this power supply available on the market. So it starts off at a 750 watt, 850 watt, 1000 watt, 1200 watt, 1350 and a 1650 watt in the non-RGB versions. But if you want a little bit of RGB, the GF3 series also incorporates a 750 and a 850 watt units with addressable RGB lighting. Now obviously, this particular giveaway is just for the 1000 watt, just 1000 watts, he says. So this is going to be a great power supply for if you're planning on upgrading your rig. Maybe you're going for the latest and greatest RTX 4090 or one of the 40 series graphics cards, which uses that new PCI Express Gen 5 connection. This is going to plug straight in, provide you up to 600 watts of power on that connection. But don't worry, if you've got another graphics card which has the slightly older PCI Express 6+2s, don't worry, Thermaltake got you covered. There's an absolute bunch of cables included with this as well, so you shouldn't have any problems at all. And obviously things like EPS connectors, tons and tons of SATA cables, Molex connections, all that kind of stuff, and it's all packed away in a nice tidy bag. And to wrap it all off, you get a 10-year warranty, which is absolutely brilliant. So massive shout out again to Thermaltake UK for allowing us to do this giveaway. It's super easy to enter. All there is going to be a simple question in the comments section below, so read the question. I've already mentioned the answer in this video, so it should be pretty straightforward. Or you can find out the information from Thermaltake's websites. I'll link those as well, and if you want to stop by Thermaltake UK or their Facebook or Twitter pages, etc, etc, I'll try and link all their socials on there as well, so if you want to get involved with Thermaltake UK, you're more than welcome to do so. So put your comment in the comments section below, and we'll be doing the draw, like I said, on the 31st of March 2023 at midday. And I suppose all that is left to say is good luck, and I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the winning video. Thanks for watching.